Welcome back to Buy or Die. We make money on perspective stocks, and I have no idea why you're still not with us. Subscribe, hit the like button, and let's go. Well, earnings report. Something that we have been expecting for a long time to see the change of bearish trend for Virgin Galactic stock. I should say that I have mixed feelings about yesterday's event. It surprised me, and at the same time I am a little bit disappointed. Well, what do we have? Virgin Galactic reported a loss of 39 cents per share in Q2, more than the 33 cent per share loss FactSet analysts expected. Revenue rose to $571,000, beating expectations. The most terrific news was, of course, reopening of ticket sales, with prices starting at $450,000 per seat. The starting price is above the previous price point of $250,000. Branson, you greedy hamster, I like you. It seems to me that the company estimated high demand after its test flight and decided to make its way to revenue a little bit shorter. Crazy prices, I know, but it's not for us, mortal people working in office. Yeah, the target clients of Virgin Galactic don't count money. Virgin will also offer a multi-seat package for couples, friends, or families and a full flight buyout, with the first open seats going to its significant list of early hand raisers. Yeah. And a follow-on priority list for those interested in reserving seats in future space flights. Virgin's next space flight is targeted for late September, the company said. As previously disclosed, the flight will be a paid mission for the Italian Air Force. I don't like this change of plans. It's not serious to promise last test flight by the end of August and then to change their mind. It's not serious for such a company. Then the Eve mothership that carries the space plane to high altitude will undergo an enhancement program that will wrap up around mid-2022. After that, another flight with a full complement of crew specialists will take place to confirm the cabin interior adjustments are functioning as planned. Then commercial service is expected to start in late Q3 2022. That's later than a previous timeline for early 2022, which was pushed back from early 2021. Another delay, and delay means longer pre-revenue period. Investors don't like such situations. They want the company to be profitable as soon as possible, and now all we can do is to live with expectations again. To be honest, I'm surprised that SPCE stock skyrocketed today. I mean, I don't know what the price is by the time you're watching this video, but now it's between $33, $34. Well, it exploded to 34, even higher than $34. But now it's about 33.5 and so on. I'm surprised to see such reaction because usually on reports full of uncertainty like these, stock price goes down. My opinion is the same as I expressed in my previous videos. With perspective of 2, 3, 5 years and more, SPCE stock is great investment. In 10 years it can be $1,000 for sure, but if you want to get profit quickly, it's not the best choice because we're still going through pre-revenue period and it can be a long adventure, not for impatient investors, I'm curious to see what the price will be next week. Virgin Galactic is good at making surprises, as we can see. So let's watch this situation together. Write your SPCE predictions in comments, hit the like button, and don't forget that investors who subscribe to Buy or Die make 500% more profit on stocks because they know what's going on the market. So you know what you should do. Let's make money together. Stay tuned and bye.